Hi, I'm Hamka. I got myself a new Ducky keyboard, Ducky 12 Mini Pure White, and now I will unboxing it to show you all. Okay, we got some extra spacebar, Peak Edition, and extra weight keycaps. Also, keycap puller and USB-C cable to power up our keyboard. This keyboard comes with two height adjustment, and it's really convenient for your typing. So it was a red switch keyboard that is linear and silent. Okay, next let us connect the keyboard to the USB. And the default mode for the lighting effect is rainbow mode. So we can change the lighting effect through our keyboard just pressing F and key, alternate key and T. So next is raindrop effects and reactive wave. And you can speed up or slow up the effect by pressing J or L. The next one is reacting mode, and this is reacting mode that come with a single color, and you can choose from the palette above. Just pressing F and alternate space, you can choose any color you want. And this is on the single color backlit. And this is a spiral mode. You can pick any color you want. Okay, this is a typing test for my Ducky keyboard. So let's see. As you can see, the side engrave of the keycap shows that some shortcut and macros for the Ducky keyboard, and you can use it to replace your mouse to control some features. So if you got no mouse, you can only use this keyboard to move out your cursor.
These days, people are wondering how and when the global economy will recover from its current downturn. Well, no.
When you are playing video from any application, you can fast forward or rewind the video through key J and L. You also can pause it by pressing K and minimize through button I. You also can mute the video by pressing the M. And not to worry, all the shortcut and macros are listed in the manual given. Okay, that's all from me. Thanks for watching.